Hi everyone, this is Jane here. Just thought I would pop on and show you the latest little journal that I've worked on. This is a winter journal. It will be going into my Etsy store a little bit later. Probably by the time you see this it will be in there. But I just thought I would give you a little flip through of it just to look. I haven't really done any videos of me creating this just because I kind of felt like what I was doing was a little bit kind of samey, and for me it's quite therapeutic, and it helps me with kind of my mental health and everything. But I kind of think that maybe seeing videos of the same sort of thing being created might not be very interesting, so I didn't film myself doing any of this. So I just got on with it really and just did it quietly on my own, and actually really enjoyed doing that. So anyway, I didn't really film any of, well, I didn't film any of this one. So I just thought I'd come on and show you what I'd done. This is just a wintry journal. It's not a Christmassy one. It's just winter. So as you can see, it's kind of the usual thing for me. This was quite fun to do though. What I did was I had like little flower, a little flower stamp. So I did the flowers in silver and thought they might be more sort of snowflakey. And then what I did was use like glitter glue to just dab over the top to make them sparkle. So I think, you know, sometimes it's tempting to go and buy all the things, isn't it? But quite often you've got things already that you can adapt a little bit and just kind of change them up a little bit so that a flower can become a snowflake, for instance. But as usual for my stuff, you know, there's loads of room to write. So I just use my mandala stencils, and like stenciled in silver so they look more like a snowflake. So I really enjoyed doing this little collage. I haven't done one of these for ages. And I first saw this done Pam at the Paper Outpost did something very similar with the mountain ranges and things. So I kind of like followed what she did with the mountain ranges, and then I just used some tracing paper that I had. I think I did it with, I'm trying to think what I actually did that with. I think I did it with the gelatos and this metallic paste to make like a little lake so that I could put the reflection of the moon on there. And then I've just cut out some tracing paper that I printed on with like a tree stump. I really enjoyed doing that. That was cool. It's not perfect, but it is original. And it was fun to do. And I've also, with my stamps, I've just got a red gel pen and filled in a few red to make it look like berries. I've just got a little envelope on there that I decorated with some bits in. So that's it. I may just pop on and just do a few little embellishments. There's a few pages in that middle signature, in the second half of that middle signature, that there's a few completely blank, like all together. So I may just pop in there and do some little embellishment or something. Maybe put a stamp in there, or I'm not quite sure what, but something to just put a little bit of pizzazz in that. But other than that, he's done. So I will be popping him into my Etsy shop. So if you're interested and you fancy having a look, I'll put a link below there. So it's been lovely to chat with you again. I think the next one that I'm working on will be the Dark Academia one that I was planning to do before I kind of felt like I wanted to do a wintry one. So I'll probably do that next. And I'll try and do some different things in it so that I can film it. But I'm kind of conscious that I'm putting up videos that are quite sort of samey. And so I don't want to bore everybody. So thank you very much for watching. Have a really great week. I hope to have something else up next week. So I'll save the Christmas wishes and stuff till then. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like or a thumbs up or a follow or a subscribe or all of that good stuff. It really helps me out. So thank you very much, and I'll see you all soon.